Okay, this is help for partner A. We're going to work number 9 and we're going to work number 10, just to kind of give you a little extra help on your homework tonight. So, number 9, we're going to start with 3x minus 5y equals negative 12. Y equals negative x plus 4. Now, they've already done step 1 for us. We have a y equals. I'm going to take that and box it. And my box is going to be substituted in for my y value. So my new equation becomes 3x minus 5 parentheses, everything in my box, negative x plus 4 equals negative 12. Now I'm going to do my solving for x. And my first step in solving is to distribute. I have to distribute that negative 5. So it becomes 3x plus 5x, because a negative times a negative is a positive, minus 20 equals negative 12. And grab a new pen, because that pen is dying on me. Here we go. Okay. Now I have to, I've already distributed, I need to combine my like terms. These right here are my like terms. It becomes 8x minus 20 equals negative 12. I've distributed, combined like terms. Now I need to move. How do I move in negative 20? I'm going to add it. And what I do to one side, I do to the other. So I'm left with 8x equals 8. The final step is to divide. And I'm going to divide by what's in front of the x, which is 8. And what I do to one side, I do to the other. So x is equal to 1. That's great. Now, Jack, this is Jack, it's got to go back in the box, up here. So now to solve for y, I have y equals negative 1, because there's a negative x, so there's my 1, plus 4. Y is equal to 3. And now I have my ordered pair. I have x and y. So that was number 9. Now we're going to go ahead and work number 10. Hopefully I got enough room on my paper. So I've got 2x plus 6y equals negative 28. My second equation is x plus 3y equals negative 14. Now on this one, they did not do my first step. I have to get x or y by itself first. I'm going to work smarter, not harder. I'm going to solve for this x. There's no coefficient in front of it. So when I don't have to divide. There won't be ugly fractions. So I'm going to move my 3y over. To do that, I have to subtract the 3y. When I do that, I get x equals negative 3y minus 14. I cannot combine these two because they're not like terms. Now I have a box. I can create my box. And that's going to go in for my x value because that's what we solved for. So go back up to my other equation and it goes right there. So my new math becomes 2 times negative 3y minus 14 plus 6y equals negative 28. And now all I'm going to do is solve for y. First step in solving is to distribute. Negative 6y minus 28 plus 6y equals negative 28. Okay. So I've distributed. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Well, that's a like term and that's a like term. When I combine them, they go away. I get negative 28 is equal to negative 28. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. Because it's true, my solution becomes IMS, infinitely many solutions. So that's help on 2 of your problems. All your other problems are going to follow either these 2 patterns. Either you're going to have to solve for a variable, or it's already going to be done for you. Hope this helped.